This method of transportation will give you a whole new level of satisfaction. Unbelievable. Here's an entire packaging line for hoodies, and you're about to receive the perfect one. This slicer is a real beast, cutting through 250 slices per minute. Mind-blowing. This bus assembles and rearranges barriers like bowling pins. This machine allows a worker to securely fasten tread to tires in the most satisfying way. But this system gives birth to new tires. Prepare to be amazed by the limitless capabilities of lasers. This video comes with a warning. Your appetite may skyrocket. We need these machines on my street ASAP. It would be nice to have this assembly line at home. Check out this action-packed scene, all to protect the soil from diseases. It's hard to believe the mechanized process an egg goes through before a chick finally hatches from it. I thought these stickers were put on by hand, but nope. Did you know that it takes thousands of feet of thread and these machines to make a single towel? How awesome to see a tool that can bend metal as if it were clay. When the tiny flame tried to eject, but this guy's toy was way too cool. To understand how sophisticated this machine is, I will simply say that this highly precise pattern was carved with the power of water. Did you know that bullets were made just as fast as they fly out of the barrel? Me neither. I never thought watching a laser in action could be so relaxing. This paper cutting tool can handle even the largest stack of paper. Now it's time to enjoy the perfect cutting of a huge rock. You've got to see how this forging machine makes perfect rings of any size. Nobody likes dirty water, and this machine solves that problem with ease. This isn't just carving, it's an art form. Turns out working with cables can be a real pleasure. Now enjoy the bending of these steel rods. Wow, the 3D printer is undoubtedly one of the most revolutionary devices of our time. Get ready to see something that's quite lovely to look at. Plowing even the biggest field is a simple task thanks to this 44-bottom plow. If you've ever had trouble peeling the skin off vegetables, this video is a must-watch. It seems the time has come to show you the secret of how those big plastic barrels are made. Now drop everything and enjoy watching the cutting of this polyurethane foam. Isn't it relaxing? It is simply impossible to look away from this mesmerizing dry ice treatment. Now let's take a look behind the scenes and see how cheese sticks are made. Even large wheels can easily be fitted with this helpful tool. Just mix the ingredients and enjoy the breathtaking spectacle of fresh noodles coming to life. The power of sandblasters never ceases to amaze. Can't wait for the day when 3D printers build real houses. It's going to be mind-blowingly cool. Watch this gun turn the process of planting into a fun and enjoyable experience. This is just flat out impressive. This is even more satisfying. I could watch this forever. Don't blink or you'll miss it. Get ready to witness the mesmerizing machine that probably made your favorite mug. It's also time to enjoy the process of making a pedal disc. Instantly harvest and clear trees with this mega cool excavator that gets the work done in a flash. Isn't the sheer power of the airflow from this mechanism mind-blowing? It's truly hard to comprehend. One touch and the metal cap is ready. When you're a huge Sprite fan but crave ice cream even more. This rolling machine blends colors into the silicone to create a flawless finish. The way this mechanism works with metal heated to over 1000 leaves me truly speechless. And get ready for some more action in 3, 2, 1. Thanks to this miracle machine, the guys will finish laying by lunchtime. Believe me, you'll be back to watch this over and over again. Such a high-quality trimmer turns this guy into a bush tamer. Create a laser show on any building with this compact device. And how about this laser magic? As nice as this process is to look at, it's also quite useful for flowers. The machine cleans the petal, allowing the bulb to grow without rotting. You are now about to witness a mind-blowing magic trick. Who ordered the perfectly juicy piece of lean meat? Your wait is over. Check out this awesome immersion, and the result is a fresh metal coating on the surface of the discs. And check out this stunning magnet. It's insanely cool,